Welcome to another exciting video. Now in this one, we'll be creating certain products in Stripe and using Stripe.js in Next.js, we'll be retrieving those products and we'll be showing them in a page called pricing. So here you can see that we have already created some products like monthly subscription with 2 prices, similarly yearly subscription with 2 prices, and a course with 2 prices. These two are recurring and this one is a fixed price product. Now, in order to read this product information in our web page, what we have done is we have created a page called pricing.js. Now, here we have first of all imported init Stripe from the Stripe package. After that, we have made use of get static props, and we have used the Stripe secret key, which we have mentioned in our env.local file. And using this Stripe secret key, we have initialized the Stripe package, and then we have made use of stripe.prices.list to get all the products that we have created in an object called prices. Now we have used the map function and iterated each of the prices that we have, and here we are retrieving the products associated. So here what we are saying, stripe.products.retrieve. So using the price, we are getting the product ID and then we are retrieving the product details. And finally, we have this collection over here. So we have the price ID, the name of the product, the unit amount, and here you will notice that the interval is only available for recurring subscriptions. For fixed price products, we won't be getting interval. So here we have made that check. If the interval is not present, then we are returning null. Then we have currency, whether it's in US dollars or in any other currency. And then we are sorting this based on the price. And finally, we are returning this sorted plans. Once this gets executed, we are rendering it over here. And for now, we are showing the price over here in dollars. Now, if I run this one, you'll notice that we are getting this master React.js. This was the fixed product, so we are not getting any interval over here. But the monthly subscription, you can see $40 per month and $84 per year. Similarly, the other price that we had, that's $500 and then 3,000 annually subscription with 6,000. Here we can also put a check for currency as well. And rather than showing the dollar symbol prefixed, what we can do is we can just mention this value over here like a currency. So we'll say plan.currency and save this. Now you can see that the currency is coming up, US dollars 7, and here it's INR 500, INR 3,000, and INR 6,000. So that way we can easily retrieve products from Stripe and show it in our pricing page.